In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make the best carrot cake. So make sure you watch to the very end so you don't miss any step. To begin, I will start by sieving 2 cups of flour. Please always sieve your flour so as to remove unwanted particles. Then go in with your baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, vanilla flavor, milk flavor, and salt. Combine everything together and set that aside. Please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't. Thank you. Also, let me know where you are watching this video from in the comment section, okay? Then into another bowl, I'll be cracking in 4 raw eggs because that is what I'll be using for this recipe. Then I'll be adding in my liquid vanilla and also my butterscotch. Give everything a good mix and also set that aside. Next thing to do is to go ahead and grate your carrots. Remember, what we are making today is carrot cake, and there is no carrot cake without carrots inside. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you to my amazing subscribers. Your love and support means a lot to me, and I don't take that for granted. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe if you haven't, okay? Into another bowl, add in your sugar and your vegetable oil. Mix everything to combine together. If you want me to make a video on how you can use butter to make a carrot cake, let me know in the comment section and I will gladly do that, okay? Once you are done mixing the sugar and the oil, go ahead and add in your carrots. I know by now you'll be wondering the quantity of carrots to use or how to go about with your measurements. Don't worry, I'll be leaving the full recipe in the description box below, so do well to check it out, okay? So I added in dried fruits to it. You can as well add in walnuts if you have. Add in the egg mixture and give that a good mix. Don't forget, we are now mixing our cake batter together. Go in with some flour and gently fold in. Please, at this point, you just have to be careful so that you don't overmix. Continue this process until the wet and the dry ingredients are exhausted. If you are confused in any way, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer your questions, okay? At this point, our cake batter is ready. Go ahead and transfer into a greased pan. You can choose to add in some dried fruits on top or walnuts. It's optional. Transfer into your oven and bake for at least 40 to 50 minutes. And of course, I'm using my pot to bake, so even if you don't have an oven, you can as well make use of your pot to bake, okay? So after 40 to 15 minutes, this is definitely what our cake looks like. Allow to cool down before bringing it out from the pan. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever tasted a carrot cake before. And if you haven't, let me know in the comment section if you will be trying out this recipe, okay? If you have watched this video to this very point, thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, turn on the bell notification, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you guys on my next video. Bye.